There are some prohibited actions that we should not do while urinating or defecating. The first of these is facing the Qibla or sitting with our back to the Qibla. This is prohibited. Number two, it is forbidden to urinate or defecate on the road or on the side of the road. Urinating or defecating in a hole. Sitting facing the moon or sun. And while sitting on the toilet, talking, looking up, looking at the private parts, these are prohibited. Number 4. It is forbidden to urinate while standing or walking, and to urinate in water without a valid reason. Number 5. It is forbidden to urinate or defecate under fruit bearing or shade trees, and in the bathroom. My dear brothers and sisters, as a Muslim, we should observe these rules while urinating or defecating. May Allah accept us on the path of the Deen. Ameen.